Hey everyone, the Cyctron Infini X1 is the epitome of contemporary e-bike innovation, fusing state-of-the-art technology with flawless functionality and style. This all-in-one e-bike is unique in the market since it incorporates features that appeal to both tech enthusiasts and serious bikers. Here is a detailed examination of its features, performance, and design. A 4K 60 FPS front-facing camera that is perfectly incorporated into the bike's appearance is its most notable feature. The Infini X1 is more than just a bike thanks to this system, which makes it simple to access real-time ride statistics and navigation via a specialized app. Because the Infini X1 is constructed with a carbon fiber handlebar and frame, it looks sleek and weighs only 18.5 kilos. It is one of the most aesthetically pleasing e-bikes available because of the frame's careful construction and metallic finish. With 160mm hydraulic disc brakes and SRAM Apex components, the drivetrain and braking systems are equally high-end. A 672 watt-hour battery that locks firmly into position and provides up to 100 kilometers of range in Eco-Pedal Assist mode powers the bike. Convenience is increased by the ability to charge the battery both on and off the bike. This is coupled with an Ananda mid-drive motor, which can produce up to 660 watts of power and 100 Newton-meters of torque. With a maximum aided speed of 25 km/h, this sturdy motor complies with European requirements and guarantees outstanding performance, especially on slopes. In terms of usefulness and ride personalization, the Infini X1 is excellent. Using simple controls, riders can alternate between the Eco, Tour, Sport, and Boost pedal assist modes. Additionally, the bike has a 4G modem and GPS built in for peace of mind and anti-theft tracking. Through a USB-C connector, it also provides power bank capabilities, delivering up to 65 watts of power to devices like laptops and drones. The bike's 28 by 1.5-inch Continental Terra trail tires are designed for gravel riding and offer superior durability and grip. To increase rolling resistance and increase range, riders who are primarily focused on road use might opt to replace these with tires made specifically for roads. Performance and comfort are not sacrificed for the Infini X1. Its physics saddle is perfect for extended rides since it balances support and lightweight design. For comfort and visibility, riders can choose between a more upright stance and a streamlined aerodynamic posture thanks to the handlebar location. The Infini X1 is incredibly quick and responsive when driving. On descents, the bike's precision engineering and lightweight frame enable speeds of over 50 km/h, providing an exhilarating yet controlled experience. The bike's sophisticated design and high-pressure tires ensure stability and comfort even without suspension. To sum up, the Cyctron Infini X1 is a masterpiece of e-bike engineering, fusing state-of-the-art technology with superb performance and build quality. For those looking for the best cycling experience, its high-end features, like the built-in camera, wireless charging, and strong mid-drive motor, make it a wise purchase. For those who want the highest level of e-bike innovation, the Infini X1 offers unparalleled value despite its expensive pricing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.